Market conditions remaining bullish in this bull market, sitting at a bull market rank of 25.41. We've seen momentum continue to that upside. Had a nice move the last couple of days on S&P 500. Continuing to see breadth stuck right here, not improving a whole lot, and also seeing sentiment which is towards the upper end of that range as it has been now for a length of time. Buy-sell ratio still bearish, and with the red line above the green line right here, just still sitting with that bearish tone. That puts the buy-sell ratio right at 0.51. So we're still less than one, and we have been that way for quite some time here for the last 6-8 weeks or so, as the market is continuing higher, just not massive participation, not a lot of broad-based participation happening, but it is improving, and we've also seen market conditions improving slightly here as well. We are at the upper end of that range. This bull market trend is 25.41. That represents this line right here. So we know that we're at the upper end of this range. We're at the upper end of this bull market, and we're just watching to see what's going to continue to propel this market higher. As far as the indices and the bonds, we have seen bonds in the shorter term here. This 20-year Treasury TLT is the ETF. Really sharp sell-off, and now it's recovering pretty nicely, almost retracing that entire sell-off. So we'll see if we get some additional confirmation and follow through. That actually would be quite bullish to see bonds hold this level and then actually continue this overall uptrend. Seeing that in both short-term and long-term. SHY is the shorter-term bonds here as well. If we look at sectors, not seeing a lot of additional improvement on sectors as far as this perspective right here with the majority in the buy zone. We do see, when we have real strong, solid bull markets, all of these typically are buys. So we're seeing kind of that combination of mixed market as well in the sectors, still having some in that downtrend sell range as well as some of in the hold range and that buy zone as well. The story's still turning into a gold right here. If we take a look at gold, we're seeing that improve and continue to find some support here, now moving back up into this momentum zone above the 236 and also above some recent resistance areas. This is a 219 now on GLD. Keep an eye on that. Also seeing oil retrace back just a little bit here, but still now solidly up in that upper momentum zone, and has several different areas of support that it could pull back to. This 80 level is probably the next real solid support area, and oil still continuing to move here right in the middle of the summer as well, which is not surprising. Take a look at some of the muscle stocks in the group today. A lot of gold names. Keep an eye on these gold names. You've got NGD, lots of them that are having those new buy signals and turning back up into that overall uptrend. Seeing that a lot also actually on the muscle ETFs, where you've got just a lot of gold stocks, triple leverage stocks, and copper. This is a great place to also look for some diversity. If you're not looking for an individual name to pick specifically, you could go into the ETF group and look for all of the gold miners and have 2x leverage on those, or copper miners, or silver stocks. Or the ETF is going to diversify you out among all of the miners in this case, versus one or two that trying to pick what you're going to find in this muscle stock group. So an idea there for you regarding being able to hold and participate in that gold move without having to actually pick one specific stock. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.